Well, today's Vicariquickie is about the Hoh Rainforest. We're in the Hoh Campground. It's gorgeous, it's sunny, it's not raining. We didn't actually intend to stay here, but we just booked 2 nights because the campground is that nice. We found some Instagram friends who were able to watch miles so we could do a nice good hike. That worked out pretty awesome. There's sun and cell service, neither of which we anticipated. This is our camp spot right next to this gorgeous Hoh River. The water looks super inviting. We're gonna go play in that later. But right now we're gonna go do some hiking. Hoh River Trail. There's some of the things you can do on it. We're gonna go do that one. Where's my finger? 26 miles out and back.
Psych!
Look at that building.
What do you mean? It's a tree.
It's a tree.
Look how big it is. You can't even hug it. So big.
That's a baby. Look how big that thing is. You see the top of it?
Nope.
That's space.
I think it's like 200 feet tall.
That tree is in space. Guys, check this out. This big old tree have fallen down. It must have been a long time ago because there's another big old tree on top of it. And it goes, and it goes, and it goes. You see Heather down there? She's looking for the end. That's where the end of the tree is. Oh my God, there's bugs biting me. This is a big old tree, y'all. Check that out, dang. Good old Hoh Rainforest where the water flows like glacier iced Gatorade. You think it's banana, but it's actually a slug. He's got a tail of junk. Real pretty waterfall, 2.7 miles down the Hoh Trail, Hoh River Trail. There's a big part of it up top. It goes down, down on the bridge, down to the Hoh River. It's so nice.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
That's going in. This log had a child. Check out the ecosystem on this log, it's pretty dope. Lots of little flowers on the levels. And then there's this big old fungus among us. Look at that guy. He got his own little son. If I were 4 orders of magnitude smaller than I am, I would fight for, take over, live for, and die for this kingdom on top of this sweet, sweet fallen log.
I still want to know if those are huckleberries or not.
You may know if those are huckleberries. Let's talk about this hammock setup for a little bit. I'd say top 5, top 3, definitely top 3. I don't remember the other 2. I don't remember stuff like that, but definitely top 3 hammock location. So there's a beautiful river right over there. We got we got some hamburgers cooking. There's our bus. Also under me is the river. Can you see? So there's a tree there and a tree there, but in between them is water. So the hammock is above water. It took me more than a minute to figure out how to get in without falling in the water, but now I get this view. Water, 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 water. I may not be able to get out of the hammock too. That may be tough. Now that water looks inviting. It's like 4 degrees above centigrade. Above Kelvin. Above absolute zero. Jesus. Next hike, Hall of Mosses. I thought it was Hall of Moses. Mosses makes more. There's a stone. Shh. Also some other like mini hike too. Spruce something or other. Still no mist, no fog, no rain. We are in a very warm, dry rainforest. What's your favorite name other than tardigrade for tardigrades?
I don't know.
Moss piglets.
I don't get any of your jokes.
Hashtag water bear. Your favorite men's clothing line from the late 90s that can be now found at Walmart?
I bet it has something to do with moss.
Massimo. Massimo. I had a lot of Massimo clothes. Massimo? Hundreds of years ago, that wise and noble nurse log sacrificed itself for these behemoths to become, I guess, behemoths. Nurse log, what? We're now at the spruce trail, containing no moss but plethora of spruce.
There's still moss.
What's your favorite giant plane that never was able to take off?
Something with moss.
Nope, the spruce goose.
We changed trails, I get it.
What's your favorite tree that changed sexes?
Spruce leaf.
That's another good one. Spruce Jenner.
Well, that, folks, is a wild narwhal floating down the river. Didn't think I'd see that today. Or did I?